Hey guys, well, it is a very windy day today, but it actually feels nice out here, nice and cool. And so, I thought I'd just give y'all a much more closer look at this chainsaw right here that I just got yesterday from my aunt for me to work on. This is actually my grandfather's older chainsaw. So as you see here, it's a Poulan model 2075, and let's look at the specs right here. It's a 36cc chainsaw. The date on it is 1997. And I believe that is a 16-inch bar, because it doesn't seem as long as the bar on my CS400, which it's a 18-inch. So I'm going to assume that this is a 16-inch bar. So the saw was a little bit dirtier than it was just before I took it home last night, because I wanted to get her all cleaned up though, so I wouldn't get my car all dirty. And so, yep. Even though the first problem I had noticed, if I can get this fuel cap off, which, since even though this thing's set for a long time, as you can actually see, the fuel line inside the tank had actually broke right off. So yeah, that's very typical. I probably may have to replace this primer bulb. It doesn't seem to feel too bad. There's no cracks. I don't see no cracks in it. But just to be on the safe side, I'll probably just will replace it. I'm not going to do any kind of work on it today because fortunately I have to go into work today. If I can actually, I'll get this top cover off just to let y'all see it. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but there's just only 3 screws just to take this top cover off. Okay, hang on a second. Alright, so I got the screws loosened, so we'll get this cover off. Look how dirty that air filter is. Oh, that is nasty. But the condition of the filter doesn't seem to be too bad, so I'll probably just give it a good wash. And then just hidden right over here is the carburetor. And actually, even looking, it's hard to see. It actually is a Walbro carburetor. Now, I don't know for sure of what series of carburetors it really is. It's just all dirty. I think I see a number right there somewhere. Let's see. Oh, I see it. Looks like WT 324. That's what it looks like. Okay. And it is a Walbro carburetor, whereas the newer ones have a Zama. Here's your choke. If you notice, if you pull the choke in the closed position, it automatically puts the power switch into the on position, which is really nice. I can just demonstrate that again, see? Which is nice. Pretty nice feature. Yep. But it does have a throttle advance right here, which is this right here. So you kind of hold the throttle and then just push this. It'll lock the throttle, just part-wise. It's pretty cool. So, yep. And so here's the spark plug. I believe is a Champion CJ7Y spark plug. The engine, apparently it's got pretty good compression. Yep, not too bad compression. So I haven't done a compression test on it. I just don't have the time to work on it now. Probably won't get around to working on it probably this weekend. But however, I think what I will do is I will order the parts that I think that I would need for this saw in order to get it running. And maybe if I could have them get the parts in by this weekend, maybe I can get this saw running by the weekend. Since I'm assuming it's set for a long time, so I probably will need to get a carb kit. The diaphragms and all that are probably no good inside, so I probably will need to get a new carb kit for it. So yeah, so another project here that I will work on my days off from work. Alright, so this is it for now. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I gotta get ready to go to work. And so thanks for watching.